Hey guys, Pretzel here, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing my Neca Rodan figure. I was finally able to get this figure. I could not find them in stores, so I was going to go buy them off Amazon, but then Neca took them off of Amazon, which ruined my whole day because I was very upset. And then the next day, they put them back on Amazon for like 30 minutes or maybe less than that, and I bought him as fast as I could, and here he is. So we will begin to open this. I am pretty nervous about this figure, not gonna lie, mainly because I do not know if this figure is gonna have any problems or not, because for some reason when I buy figures from Amazon nowadays, they tend to be messed up. It doesn't happen all the time, but for some reason recently it's been doing it. I don't know what this is. I'm pretty sure it's just information paper. There we go. Side. Oh, listen. Oh. Box over here. There's Rodan. And before I get into anything, this is my first Rodan figure. I have nothing in my Godzilla collection of like toys and figures and whatever that is Rodan related. So this is my first Rodan related thing. I have seen some people have some problems with the figure. Well, we'll just have to see if I have any problems with mine. The box looks really cool. I don't really like this picture though, I'm not gonna lie. Because for the Mothra box and the Godzilla box, there's like concept art for the monsters there, and I would have liked if this was like, you know, some cool concept art. Like on Mothra's box, I think concept art on Mothra's cover is really cool, but they just used a poster, which it's not perfect, but it's, you know, it's whatever. The main thing I don't really like about these kind of boxes is this blue metal stuff. If this was like kind of like a fiery, what's it called, like a volcano-ish type set around, I think that'd match Rodan obviously, and it'd be really cool. So let's open up this figure because it's unboxing video. Alright. I will probably speed this up so you guys aren't bored out of your minds. So let's begin the speed. Alright, so we cut that. I'm gonna take out the explosion effect first. Alright, not bad, not bad. Put that to the side. Rodan. I'm probably not going to move them too much because I don't want to end up breaking him, because it does feel like a figure that can easily break. Alright. Ow, that hurt. Well, the joints aren't entirely tight, but I will heat them up just in case, because I don't want to mess them up of any sorts or something like that, you know what I'm saying? Because the wings, I feel like, would be the most part that would break. Getting a nice feel out of them. What happened? My thing disconnected. My Bluetooth. Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to turn off this. Hold on, let me. Maybe I don't know. Back into the Rodan. First impressions. Pretty cool. I'm really liking the details. The wings are a bit sketchy for me, but I'll get more of that in the review. As far as I can tell, the one thing I'm not really going to be liking is the legs, but I'll, again, get more of that into the review. So I'll put him right here for now. Maybe I'll make him look. Do that. There we go. Let's bring out the second head. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Here's the second head. Yeah, get a look at that real quick. I get more of that into the review. Hold on, let me scooch up some so you guys can see. Looking pretty nice. I probably won't swap the heads now. I'll probably do that later once I heat up the figure more. Where's the oh, there it is. I was looking for this. I was like, where the frick's this? Let's get the brush here, baby. Alright, there it is. Pretty solid plastic. Nice detailing. Let's plug in this explosion effect. I don't know how it plugs in, but like this. There we go. That's good enough, I guess. Stick this. I don't know, the peg doesn't seem to want to go in very much. Unless that's how that's supposed to be. Hold on, let me see if I can. Something like that, I would imagine. But with the peg actually being in, I guess I'll figure that one out later. But so far, I'm actually legitimately liking this figure so far. I don't know if there's going to be any other problems with the figure, because I am yet to explore the depths of this figure, I guess you could say. I can see some problems I'm gonna have with this figure. Not like majorly, like, ooh, if I hate this, blah 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 blah. But you know, issues that could cause something bad in the future. Alright, let me sing it. Put it like that even though that's not really where it's supposed to go. So far, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10, 9.5 out of 10, something like that. I'm not really seeing any problems with it. I'm actually really liking this figure so far, and that's really good for it being my first Rodan figure. But I will have the review up later on in the day, so stay tuned for that. And yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.